quickly.
Yes, sir.
Rolling.
It was great. It was a great game. It's the first time I've actually played arena polo, so we had a great match. It was a great opportunity, and they did a sort of they've built a good ground here, and it was fun.
So is it going to become a trend playing in the night?
Arena polo at night, yeah, it's going to become a trend. I think it's a great sport, and you can play it at night, and it's a lot of fun for people to watch as well. So it's good. I hope it does.
And one thing related to Karishma, she's coming to films. How do you react to it?
She's what?
She's coming back to films. So
I'd be very happy if she did.
will you be producing film for her ever?
I'm not in the film business.
What are the three things that one must know about the
Got to play safe. You've got to think and anticipate, and you've got to play fair.
And what are your holy plans together?
Just to be together.
Any more questions, people?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, playing position number 1, fourth winning team, all the way from New Delhi, ladies and gentlemen, a celebrity.
Sanjay sir.